Straight out of Jamaica. If you know me, you know how excited I am when I get stuff straight from Jamaica. Straight out of Jamaica, pimento seed, Jamaican bongo peas, yes, to serve me for a long time. Jamaican roast breadfruit, our national dish. Jamaican ackee, yes. Jamaican cinnamon leaf, Jamaican fever grass, Jamaican soursop, Jamaican soursop leaf. Yes, I am so excited. Straight out of Jamaica.